Hi everyone, it's David here at Digitrains. I hope you're all well, and you've guessed it, we've got another sound fit video for you. Today we'll be looking at the recent released Lion from Hornby. John G has sound fitted this fantastic little loco. He used a Zimo MS590 Next 18, loaded with our ZS Lion sound file, which is for Zimo decoders, and made use of the factory fitted speaker. Now, as an added little bonus, the loco that you see in the video is actually for sale, and it comes as part of the L&MR number 57 Lion set from Hornby. The set contains 3 coaches in addition to the sound-fitted locomotive, comes in this lovely box, and is available to order either via our website, which is www.digitrains.co.uk, or over the phone on 01522 527 731. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, if you're watching on YouTube, please don't forget to click like and subscribe so I don't miss out on any future videos. And if you are interested in getting DCC decoders fitted into your locomotives, either sound or non-sound, please get in touch with our workshop team. Either via email, harry@digitrains.co.uk, or over the phone on 01522 527 731. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.